Becoming a Jira administrator involves gaining the necessary permissions and understanding to manage Jira projects, users, and configurations. Here's a step-by-step guide. Gain administrative permissions. Request access. Contact your organization's current Jira administrator or IT department to request administrative access. You will need permissions to manage projects, user accounts, and system settings. Role assignment. Ensure you are added to the Jira administrators or Jira system administrators group in Jira, depending on the level of access required. Familiarize yourself with Jira. Learn the basics. Understand core Jira functionalities such as issue tracking, workflows, boards, and dashboards. Explore documentation. Review Jira's official documentation and resources on Atlassian's website to gain in-depth knowledge of administration features. Set up and configure. Manage projects. Learn how to create and configure projects, including setting up workflows, issue types, and screens. User management. Understand how to add and manage users, groups, and permissions. System settings. Get acquainted with global settings like email notifications, system integrations, and plugin management. Training and certification. Attend training. Consider taking Jira administration courses or webinars offered by Atlassian or other training providers. Certification. Pursue official Atlassian certifications for Jira administrators to validate your skills and knowledge.